Hi guys, it's Timmy here and welcome back to another video. This video I'll be showing you ways that you can use to get your own USDT account on Payoneer. You know, when you create Payoneer account, you don't automatically get your own USDT or euro account that you can use for international transaction. But in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step way in which you can use to get your own personal USDT account. So if you are looking for how to even create your own account, the Payoneer account, then I'll be dropping the link to the video in this description. I have made a step-by-step tutorial. I have made it easy. Then you can just go ahead and check the video. You can see right here that I now have my own receiving account. This is here, it's based in the US. You can see the details of my account number is carrying my name, the address and all, the account number, everything that I need for my international transaction is already available with this account. So you can see the guidance, the rules and regulations, and you can see the supported marketplace. That means you can use this account on Amazon, STC, Google, Fiverr, all these international places that you can use for your transaction. Even Temu, they even have Temu on this particular website. So I'll be going right into the video, so just do well and watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Let's go right into the video. So the first thing we'll be needing right now is our Fiverr account. So if you don't have a Fiverr account, I'll also drop the link to a video that I've made, a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own Fiverr account and how to, start getting gigs, how to advertise your gigs on it and start getting orders. So I'll be dropping the link again in the description, so just go ahead and check it. So you may be wondering, why do we need Fiverr? So one thing about Payoneer is that for you to request a receiving account, it can be USDT, it can be euro, it can be any currency whatsoever, you need to have minimum $50 in that account. And we are going to be using Fiverr to connect to our Payoneer in order to receive this $50 requirement to activate our USDT account. So if you check through that Fiverr video I made the clear tutorial on how to create your Fiverr and how to link your Payoneer account to your Fiverr, so that when you get paid with your Fiverr will automatically send that money into your Payoneer account. So that is the procedure in which I use to activate my USDT account. So this is what you will do. You need two Fiverr accounts. So it's either you are using your friend own or you just create two Fiverr accounts. So here I created two Fiverr accounts. So once you create two Fiverr accounts or you have another Fiverr account, you are going to create a gig. That means you are going to advertise your business. If you are confused about it, just go ahead to that video, you see everything. Once you create like a gig on that first Fiverr account, then you are going to patronize yourself. That means you are going to patronize yourself so that when you pay that money into Fiverr, then Fiverr will credit your Payonneer account. Once minimum $50 is credited into your Payonneer account, then Payonneer will allow you to require to ask for a USDT account or euro or any other currency that is available on Payoneer. I hope we all get it. So let me just show you the procedure in which I use. So let's go right now. So I log in into my Fiverr account. So this is the other account that I created for myself, and I created a gig. So I want to patronize myself. So you just go to where it says order. Then I want to order minimum $50. We need $50 to be credited to our Payoneer. So I actually ordered for something around $80. I spent roughly $100 in order to activate this Payoneer account, and I only got $64 back in return. So let me just take you through the process. So I was trying to order something around $50, but I noticed that my gig was around $40 to $80. So when you are creating a gig in the other account, try and create something around $60 to $70. So because the order I created on my gig was around 40 and 60, so I had to select that 40 package twice. That is how we have, if you check here, we have selected package $80, and the service fee Fiverr would charge is $7.9, and they will also remove VAT. So you can see that they are removing $6.59 for their VAT. So at the end of the day, I will be paying roughly $94.49. So don't worry guys, this money you are paying, you are still getting it back, but it will not be totally full. Like you'll not be getting the exact $94, because Fiverr will remove their own, and those VAT and all. So at the end of the day, after I've paid $94.49, I think the money that was credited into my Payoneer account was just $64, but at least I was able to get my USDT account because I needed it to do something very important. Guys, another website that we need is PayPal account, because Fiverr only accepts PayPal from us here in Nigeria. So if you are looking for a way to create your PayPal account, I've also made a step-by-step video on how to create your own PayPal in Nigeria. So just check through the description, you see the video right there. So I will just go ahead and pay the $94 through my PayPal account. So let's just go right into it. Once I pay this money into my account, you can also use you can link your local bank to your PayPal. You can also link any other foreign, if you have GPay, if you have Venus. I think Venus and GPay is also the same thing. So just go ahead and pay the money. So I just paid the money using my Venus MasterCard. So I paid the money and they debited me. So even Venus charged me another, I think $5 to get this. It was really a long process, but I just needed that account. So after which I have paid this particular account for the gig. Remember that I am patronizing myself, so I just made one video available to send back to myself. I hope you get it. Just as if you are patronizing each other. So I requested that I needed a 10-minute video, so I already have that video one side. So after I place the order on the first account I use, then I use my other account to deliver the order. So after which you have delivered the order, it will take 14 days for Fiverr to release your money. Let me say that again. After which the order has been completed, I have acknowledged that I have received the order. It's two parties now. One is selling, one is buying. After I have sold the order and I have acknowledged by myself again in the other account that I have received the order, then Fiverr will release the money to me. So it will now take 14 days for Fiverr to credit my Payonneer account. So after which Fiverr have credited your Payonneer account, then you can now request for your USDT account or any other account. So this is the money right here in my balance. After I have sent the video that I requested from my other account, then I sent the video and Fiverr released the money into my balance. So we are going to withdraw that money into our Payonneer account. We have already linked our Payonneer account with this our Fiverr. So I'll just go ahead and withdraw. Just imagine, after spending close to $95, then I'm just getting $64. Anyways, let's just move on. So after you have request to withdraw, then it's going to take 14 days. It will say processing, then it will take 14 days before Fiverr will credit the money into your account. So after 14 days, you can see it in my balance here. It says payment from Fiverr completed, $64. So if Fiverr have credited your Payonneer account, Payonneer will immediately credit your local bank. That is the bank that you link to your Payonneer. If it's OPay, if it's UBA, if it's any bank whatsoever that you link with your Payonneer, Payonneer will immediately credit you and in naira. So that is how I receive my money back. Then after the money has been credited into your Payoneer account, then you now be able to request for your USDT account. So I'll just go to receiving account. Then after I go to receiving account, then I'll now request for USDT account. So you can request for a lot of things. So let's just say get started. You just click on get started, and you're going to fill in some things. You just follow the procedure. So let's just go ahead. You say I want to receive bank transfer. If it's euro you want to select, but now I'm using USDT. So once your account is activated, you can go ahead and request for any currency whatsoever. So but in this video I'm trying to create a USDT account. So let's just go through it together. So once you click on that USDT, then you are just going to say get bank details or request a payment. But here we are getting bank details. So we just click on get started. After clicking on get started, you're now going to click on the currency you want. So we just click USDT, then I'll pick US. That's the region that I want to receive the account. So once I click on US, then I'll click on next. It says we will issue the following receiving account based on the information you provided. So I'll just go ahead and click on continue. So once you click on continue, to take you to the next place. So you just say provide information. So this is where you are going to provide your information. That is, they will do a facial recognition. They will ask you to fill some questionnaire. Then you provide your proof of address. So these are just the requirements the Payonneer will ask before you receive your USDT account. So after you've provided all this, then it will take about 3 business days. They will send you an email address that your account is ready. Then you can just go ahead and copy your account details, then put it in whatever place you want to start using it. So that is all about that. I hope this video has been well detailed enough for us to actually receive our USDT account. If you have any question, if you are confused anywhere, please drop it in the comment section and I'm going to respond back to your question. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. So do well to follow back, like this video, share it to whosoever will benefit from this video. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video.